Security bits for tamper-proof screws. Adjustable belt clip. 30 bits, plus 1 bit tip holder. DEWALT DWAX200 31% Security Screwdriving Set. This set is specifically designed with security bits for tamper-proof screws. The case includes an adjustable belt clip for handy access and portability. Set includes security star bits, T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, T30, T35, T40. Security hex bits, 5/16 inch, 3/32 inch, 7/64 inch, 1/8 inch, 9/64 inch, 5/32 inch. Security hex, metric, 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm. Spanner bits, 4, 6, 8, 10. Tri-wing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clutch type G, 6, 8, 10. Bit tip holder. Top reviews from the United States. Solid bits that cover all security fasteners. The bits are solid and don't bend or strip when being used. Set seems to cover all security fasteners and comes in a nice case to keep bits organized.